Welcome to Best Pick. Top 7 Fully Automatic Espresso Machine in 2023, Reviews and Buying Guide. Top 1. Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, LatteGo Milk Frother, 5 coffee varieties, intuitive touch display, black, EP3241/54. About this item. With Philips 3200 series, enjoy the delicious taste and aroma of coffee from fresh beans at the perfect temperature. LatteGo Milk System, top your coffee off with a silky smooth layer of milk froth. Intuitive touch display, select the perfect coffee for your mood with just one touch. My Coffee Choice menu, adjust the strength and quantity of your beverage and choose from 3 different settings to suit your preferences. The aroma extract system intelligently strikes the optimum balance between brewing temperature and aroma extraction by keeping the water temperature between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius. Powerful filter and easy maintenance, thanks to the AquaClean, enjoy clear and purified water. By changing the filter after being prompted by the machine, you will not need to descale your machine for up to 5,000 cups. Top 2. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, Black Sesame, BES 870 BSXL. Create great tasting espresso, from bean to cup, in less than a minute. The Barista Express allows you to grind the beans right before extraction, and its interchangeable filters and a choice of automatic or manual operation ensure authentic cafe-style results in no time at all. Have you ever wondered why your homemade coffee never seems to taste as great as a cafe-bought one? That's because most other automatic machines only dose 11 to 13 g of ground coffee, below what's needed to create that rich, full-bodied taste you get out of bed for. The difference between an ashy or balanced tasting espresso can be as little as 1 degree Celsius. The Barista Express uses digital temperature control (PID) technology which detects and minimizes any fluctuation during extraction, ensuring the temperature is kept at its optimum range, every time. Creating a golden honey crema in your coffee relies on the right pressure at the right time. The Barista Express uses low-pressure, pre-infusion to evenly soak and expand the ground coffee, delivering a sweet and creamy extraction. To get that velvety texture in your milk, you need the right steam pressure to draw in the air and create thousands of tiny bubbles. That's why we created the automatic steam wand for the Barista Express, that turns your milk into a silky smooth microfoam, essential for latte art. Top 3. DeLonghi EC9355M Specialista Prestigio Espresso Machine, 1.3L, stainless steel. About this item. Rinse and get your machine ready to operate. This is only required the first time out of the box. 1. Plug the power cord into the machine and the outlet, then turn the power switch on. 6. Turn the steam dial on, purge for 10 seconds and shut off. For optimal steam performance, we recommend you repeat this action 3 or 4 times. This is to purge the steam arm before frothing or steaming your milk. 1. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tapping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Top 4. Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine, small, black, 40 fluid ounce. The Gaggia Brera is a compact super automatic espresso and coffee machine that is capable of making anything from espresso to cappuccino. The Panarella wand allows you to steam and foam your milk until it is smooth and velvety, great for topping off lattes or for making hot cocoa. At just 12.4 inches with a front-loading drag drawer and water reservoir, the Gaggia Brera can easily slide under your kitchen cabinets and leave plenty of counter space to spare. Hopper and bypass doser, brew with either whole bean or pre-ground coffee with the ceramic burr grinder and bypass doser. Panarello steam wand. An intake hole siphons air directly into the milk, to create rich foam for specialty beverages. Removable brew group. The brew group can be removed from the machine for regular rinsing and maintenance. Front-loaded. The Brera's adapting system lets it learn from your coffee, adjusting how the grinder operates to accommodate your preferred bean. Both the water reservoir and drag box pull out from the front of the machine for easy access. A classic look for a classic machine. The Gaggia Brera is sure to stand out as the best-looking piece in your kitchen. Top 5. Mcilpoog WS203 Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine with Smart Touch Screen for brewing 16 coffee drinks. About this item. Touch screen. The touch screen display simplifies how to make your favorite coffee in 3 easy steps: grind, brew and milk. Easily adjust the coffee strength, milk texture and temperature to suit your taste. 16 kinds of coffee. Each coffee all can adjust the water content, milk content, coffee concentration. Automatic microfoam milk texturing. Auto steam wand allows you to adjust the milk temperature and texture to suit your taste. Delivering barista quality microfoam that enhances the flavor of the coffee and is essential for creating dose control grinding. With a single touch, the integrated precision conical burr grinder with dose control delivers the right amount of coffee on demand, for maximum flavor. Intelligent cleaning and reminder. Switch machine cleaning, milk foam system, brewing system, automatic cleaning. Lack of beans and water shortage screen will issue a sound reminder. Water tank capacity, 1.7 L, coffee bean box capacity, 250 G. Top 6. Zulay Magia Super Automatic Coffee Espresso Machine, durable automatic espresso machine with grinder, espresso coffee maker with easy-to-use 7 inches touch screen, 20 coffee recipes, 10 user profiles. About this item. Your personal professional barista. Save yourself a lot of money by having your favorite coffee done with an easy push of a button every day at home. This one-of-a-kind espresso maker is designed with a range of 20 different coffee recipes, serving you with a glass of perfection every time. Easily choose from lattes, cappuccinos, americanos, espressos, flat whites, mojitos and many, many more. All exactly the way you want it. Stress-free, hassle-free operation. The Magia Super Automatic Espresso Machine is specially designed with a wide array of amazing functions and features, such as a 19-bar Italian pump, wide 7-inch high-resolution touchscreen, 8.8 ounces bean storage container, 1800 milliliters water capacity tank, cup warmer plate and 18 preloaded special coffee recipes. A cup of delicious coffee has never been this simple. Fully personalized and customizable, built with the most sophisticated, revolutionary brewing technology money can buy. The high-tech software allows you to customize the amount of coffee, temperature, and hot milk foam settings laid out in a user-friendly interface and large 7-inch screen perfect for both beginners and experts. You can even save these settings in 10 personalized individual profiles for future use. Make your perfect coffee, your way, every time. Brew it your way. Choose how you want your coffee, strong or light. Put the coffee beans in the container and use the adjustment knob to set the conical burr grinder. Turn the knob counterclockwise for fine powder and clockwise for coarse coffee grains. Set the coffee spout to fit a larger or smaller cup and use the single-touch operation to brew 2 cups of coffee in one go. Super easy to clean, the automatic espresso machine comes with conveniently designed with an auto clean feature. This premium feature is designed to get rid of any residue from the brewer unit or from the milk foam system, after every use or when the coffee machine turns off, turns on or is idle. Disassemble the drip tray, water tank and coffee waste bin and put them in the dishwasher or rinse them under running water every week. Top 7. Jura E8 Automatic Coffee Machines 15271, 64 fluid ounce, chrome. About this item. 17 programmed specialties. The new Jura E8 Automatic Coffee Center will now prepare 17 programmed specialties including espresso, coffee, cappuccino, Cafe Barista, Americano, Espresso Doppio, Macchiato, Cortado, Latte Macchiato, Flat White, portion of milk foam and lungo at a touch. Professional Aroma Grinder. The professional aroma grinder ensures 12.2% more aroma and consistently high grind quality so that flavors unfold to perfection throughout the entire service life of the grinder. Pulse Extraction Process. The pulse extraction process, PEP, ensures maximum flavor for short specialties, while intelligent preheating ensures the ideal temperature right from the first cup. 2.8-inch display. A 2.8-inch color display, 6 buttons, and a completely new operating concept featuring artificial intelligence enable simple handling. Product settings and their positions on the screen can be adapted and product names can be displayed or hidden. All relevant information regarding the coffee machine as well as pending care instructions is presented clearly in the cockpit via the display. Harmonious design. It features a clean and expressive characteristic design. High-quality materials and precise craftsmanship underline the premium quality of the modern E8. Its styling alone is evidence of its quality, functionality, and durability. Details such as the grooved water tank or the high-quality, chrome-plated cup grill perfectly complement the clean, harmonious design of the E8. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.